Are you a shy teen who wants to be more confident and outgoing? Do you feel nervous and uncomfortable when you meet new people or have to speak in public? If so, you're not alone. Millions of teens around the world struggle with shyness. But there is good news. Shyness is not a permanent condition. It's something that you can overcome with time and effort. In this video, I'm going to share with you a step-by-step guide to overcoming shyness and becoming more confident and outgoing. So stay tuned and let's get started. Step 1. Identify your triggers. The first step to overcoming shyness is to identify your triggers. What are the things that make you feel shy? Are there certain situations or people that make you feel uncomfortable? Once you know your triggers, you can start to develop strategies for dealing with them. For example, if you feel shy when you meet new people, you could try practicing small talk with a mirror or a friend. Or if you feel shy when you have to speak in public, you could try rehearsing your speech ahead of time. Step 2. Build your self-esteem. Low self-esteem is often a root cause of shyness. If you don't believe in yourself, it's hard to feel confident in social situations. So it's important to work on building your self-esteem. This can be done by focusing on your strengths, setting goals, and achieving them. For example, you could make a list of your strengths and accomplishments. Or you could set a goal to talk to one new person every day. When you achieve your goals, it will help you to feel more confident in yourself. Step 3. Practice social skills. The more you practice social skills, the easier they will become. So make an effort to put yourself in social situations and practice talking to people. You can start by talking to friends and family, and then gradually work your way up to talking to strangers. For example, you could join a club or group that interests you. Or you could volunteer your time at a local soup kitchen or homeless shelter. These are great ways to meet new people and practice your social skills in a low-pressure environment. Step 4. Don't be afraid to fail. Everyone makes mistakes, so don't be afraid to fail when you're trying to overcome your shyness. Just learn from your mistakes and keep moving forward. For example, if you say something awkward or embarrassing in a social situation, don't beat yourself up about it. Just apologize and move on. The important thing is to keep trying and not give up. Step 5. Seek professional help. If you're struggling to overcome your shyness on your own, consider seeking professional help from a therapist or counselor. They can provide you with additional support and guidance. A therapist can help you to identify the root cause of your shyness and develop strategies for overcoming it. They can also offer you support and encouragement as you work through your challenges. Overcoming shyness is not easy, but it is possible. By following the steps in this video, you can start to overcome your shyness and become more confident and outgoing. So don't give up, keep working at it, and you will eventually overcome your shyness. That's all for this video on how to stop being shy and quiet. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the Mind Detective channel for more videos on mental health and wellness. Remember, you're not alone. Millions of people around the world struggle with shyness. But it's important to remember that shyness is not a permanent condition. It's something that you can overcome with time and effort. So don't give up, keep working at it, and you will eventually overcome your shyness.